In this video, I am going to show you how you can monetize your TikTok account. Yes, I mean how to make money with your TikTok account. I know you are ready for this. Just subscribe so that whenever I make such content, you will be the first person to get it. Right? There's no time to waste. Let's get into it. All right. So all you have to do is just visit TikTok. Now these are the requirements. You need to get 1k followers. I mean 1,000 followers on TikTok in order to be able to monetize your TikTok account, right? But if you don't have 1k followers, or if you don't have 1,000 followers and you want me to help you get one, I can help you get 1,000 followers. I can help boost your account for you so that you can monetize your TikTok account, right? If you are already enjoying the video, just give me a like. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave it at the comment section. So now let's head straight to TikTok.
Hello.
All right, so now this is my TikTok account. So all you have to do is just click on the profile just beneath your screen. All right, so now just click on these horizontal lines, these 3 horizontal lines over there. Just click on that, then click on creator tools. All right, so now you can see we have 3 sections. We have the analytics, monetization, and we have the more tools over here. So now all you have to do is just click on view more, or view all. That's it. All right, so now when you scroll down, you can see we have programs for you, right? And this is the active programs I have. So I have the live gifts, work with artists, and video gifts. All right, but I haven't turned on my subscription because I don't want anyone to subscribe to me. All right, so that is it. So now what we are going to talk about is the work with artists. Okay, so basically we are going to use artist songs. I mean songs, okay, music owned by artists. Okay, we are going to help promote that song. And how can we promote that song? We can promote that song by making a video with that song. So whilst the song goes viral, the person will also make a hit. Then we also make money because we have helped in the promotion of that particular song. You get it? Yes, so that is it. So now at the programs for you section, you might see the work with artists over there. Just click on it and click on apply, and that is all. So when you click on apply, you're going to see it at the active program section. So just click on the work with artists, and now you'll be taken to this page. So you can see we have a lot of campaigns over here. So 1, 2, 3, there are more, a lot of campaigns. Okay, a lot of campaigns. So all you have to do is you just have to select the one you prefer or you think it's easy for you to join, right? So let's check out the first one. So when I click on the first one, now this is it. So there is a song called 3020 by Lord Sky. All right, so now this is the reward rules. So when you are on the top 5, you are going to make $42 per one person, right? Then the 6th to the 10th person will also make $30 per individual, and the 11th to 20th position will also earn $24 per individual, right? So that means if you are part of the top 20, then you are eligible to make rewards or to make money. And there is also an inspirational bonus over here. Get up to $50 if your post inspires others to create their own. Okay, so if your video was able to get people to duet or get people to stage, okay, or people use the sound through your video, then you are going to get this inspiration bonus, okay, up to $50, right? For the special rewards, there is 4 slots left. That is the inspiration bonus, I guess. So now we have 3 requirements. The first requirement is this, okay, upload a photo of you using the CapCut template in the example provided to transform your photo into what we think Africa will look like in 2024. So basically you are going to upload your picture, okay, and you are going to use an effect on TikTok called CapCut template, okay. Then you are going to use that to transform yourself into an image, okay, how you are going to look like in the year 2024, right? So that is the first requirement. You will have 5 free chances to generate your, so you can generate 5 photos, right? Then you select your favorite. Then the template does takes time to load, so please be patient. So the template also takes time to load, so you have to have patience. Then the template works best with photos from the waist upwards, so don't add your leg. So from your waist going up, the template will work really amazing. And only videos using the CapCut and the Sky songs 3020 will be accepted. So make sure you are using only the CapCut effect and also the Lord Sky song, which is 3025. All right, so these are the requirements, and make sure you use this hashtags African Innovators. All right, that is the hashtag you are going to use. Then the submission to at least the video should be at least 8 seconds. Okay, if it is 9 seconds, you are good to go, but if it's 7 seconds, you cannot qualify to join this campaign. So when you scroll down, you can see we have example of the videos created. Okay, you can just click on it to check it out. 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, this is amazing. Let's go back and go and check the next one. 3, 2, 1. Now you can see, so that is basically how it is going to look like when you do it. So now, how can you join this? All you have to do is just click on use this track. All right, so now so you can see the effect has been selected over here already. So this is the effect. Okay, so that is it. So you just have to upload your video. So let's say this let me see. So let's say I am going to use this picture. Let me select and auto cut. 3, 2, 1. Yes, so then you have to attach the effect to it. Okay, so I have to take my time and try it a lot before I can do it myself. All right, I'm going to cancel this as well. Okay, so after you've created a video, just click on submit post. So you can create more videos within when the campaign got started. So the video that you created within that period is going to pop up over here. All right, so you can submit up to 5 videos for campaign when you submit 5 videos and they choose one out of it, then you can use that one and go with it, or you make money with it. So only posts that meet the campaign requirement can be submitted. All right, so after you are done, you check it, then you check this one and click on submit, and you join the campaign. So that's what you can do on all these campaigns. So you can open this one and check it out. This is $100. You can check out. Okay, the first person will get $100, the second will get $50, the third to fifth will get $25, and the 6th to 25th will get $13 each. And these are the requirements, and these are some examples. This is basically doing lip sync. All right, so you have to read the requirement very well. Please like this video if you're enjoying it. Please give me a comment. If you have any question or suggestion, just leave it at the comment section. All right, and if you want this kind of content, just hit the subscribe button. All right, thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next videos. Goodbye.